After numerous deliberations, the BJP legislature party announced Mohan Charan Majhi as the new Chief Minister of Odisha. KV Singh Deo and Prabhati Parida have been named as Deputy Chief Ministers. The oath ceremony will take place in presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other senior leaders of BJP on Wednesday. A military aircraft carrying Malawi's Vice President Saulos Chilima and 9 others has gone missing. The Malawi Defence Force aircraft went off the radar after it left the capital Lilongwe. On Monday morning, the president ordered a search and rescue operation after aviation officials were unable to contact the aircraft. It was supposed to land at Zuzu International Airport, in the country's north, just after 10 a.m. local time. Chilima was on his way to represent the government at the burial of former cabinet minister Ralph Kasambara, who died 3 days ago. Elaborate security arrangements have been made by the Commissionerate of Police for the much-awaited oath-taking ceremony of the first Chief Minister of the BJP in Odisha to be held at the Janata Maidan in Bhubaneswar on 12th June. A special security meeting in this regard was held by the Commissionerate of Police on Tuesday. As Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah along with other dignitaries will be present during the oath-taking ceremony, massive security cover will be in place for the grand event. A total of 67 platoons of police force will be deployed in the security arrangement. The process of dismantling the air-conditioned corridor and removal of barricades on Grand Road near Jagannath Temple in Puri has been completed ahead of the Snan Purnima and Rath Yatra of the Holy Trinity. As per Sri Jagannath Temple administration, the barricades have been dismantled owing to traffic jams and other disruptions being faced in the construction of the chariots for the upcoming Rath Yatra to be held on 7th July. Notably, the AC corridor was set up by the Odisha government from Marchikot Square Sri Mandir for the convenience of devotees waiting in queues to enter the shrine. However, the corridor will not be required anymore after the opening of all 4 gates of Sri Mandir as promised by BJP. And the Executive Board of the International Hockey Federation has awarded the hosting rights of 2025 FIH Hockey Men's Junior World Cup to India. The tournament will be played in December 2025. It will be the first time ever that a Junior World Cup will include as many as 24 teams.